If you want to make animation videos without paying high costs, the first thing to know is this. You do not need a giant studio, expensive software, or a professional team to get started. Today, a single creator can produce simple, polished animations with free or low-cost tools, a clear plan, and a little patience. Start by choosing the easiest style for your goal. Not every animation needs to be full character movement. In fact, many successful videos use motion graphics, text animation, slideshow-style storytelling, or simple 2D scenes. These are much faster to make and much cheaper than complex 3D animation. If you are new, keep it simple. A clean, well-timed video is better than a complicated one that never gets finished. Next, use free or affordable software. Tools like Blender, DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, Canva, Krita, OpenToonz, and Pencil 2D can help you create animations without a big budget. Blender is great for 3D and even some 2D work. Canva and CapCut are useful for quick social media animations. OpenToonz and Pencil 2D are solid options for hand-drawn animation. You do not need every tool at once. Pick one and learn it well. To save money, work from a script first. A strong script keeps your animation focused and prevents wasted time. After that, make a simple storyboard or rough sketch of each scene. This helps you plan timing, camera moves, and transitions before you spend hours animating details. Good planning can save more money than any software choice. Also, reuse assets whenever possible. Build a small library of characters, backgrounds, sound effects, and text styles that you can use again in future videos. This makes your workflow faster and keeps your visuals consistent. You can also find free assets online, but always check the license before using them. If you want to reduce costs even more, consider using voiceover, captions, and music creatively. Sometimes a strong narration with moving text and images can tell a powerful story without heavy animation. Add simple movement like zooms, fades, and character poses to keep viewers engaged. The real secret is not spending more. It is planning better, starting small, and improving with each video. Make one short animation, finish it, publish it, then learn from it. That is how you grow your skills without draining your budget.